Your front door does more than welcome guests. It protects your family, your belongings, and your peace of mind. In Sugarland, where weather shifts, humidity, and security concerns all play a role in homeownership, proper entry door installation is just as important as the door itself. A high-quality door can lose much of its value if it's not installed correctly. When done right, professional installation becomes a powerful shield for your home. Stronger security starts at the frame. Many homeowners focus on door materials and locks, but security begins with proper alignment and anchoring. A poorly installed entry door can leave gaps, weak hinges, or an unstable frame that makes forced entry easier. In contrast, a professionally installed door is firmly secured to the structure of the home, with reinforced framing and precise placement. Proper installation ensures the door closes tightly and locks smoothly every time. This makes it much harder for intruders to pry, kick, or force the door open. For Sugarland families who value safety, correct installation adds a critical layer of protection that works around the clock. Defense against heat, humidity, and storms. Sugarland's climate brings intense heat, high humidity, and sudden storms. If an entry door isn't installed correctly, even a small gap can allow hot air, moisture, or rainwater to enter your home. Over time, this can lead to higher energy bills, warped flooring, mold growth, and interior damage. A properly installed entry door creates a tight seal around the entire frame. Weather stripping fits snugly, thresholds sit level, and the door operates smoothly without sticking or swelling. This keeps indoor temperatures stable, reduces strain on your HVAC system, and helps protect your home from moisture-related problems common in Texas climates. Improved energy efficiency and comfort. Energy efficiency isn't just about windows and insulation. Your front door plays a big role. When installation is rushed or done incorrectly, air leaks are almost guaranteed. These leaks make your home harder to cool in the summer and harder to heat during cooler months. With professional entry door installation, Sugarland homeowners enjoy better insulation and consistent indoor comfort. A properly fitted door minimizes drafts, reduces energy waste, and helps maintain a comfortable living space year-round. Over time, this can translate into noticeable savings on utility bills. Preventing structural damage over time. Improper installation can cause long-term issues that aren't always obvious at first. Doors that aren't level or square may shift, scrape, or pull away from the frame. This stress can damage surrounding walls, loosen hardware, and shorten the lifespan of the door itself. Professional installers take precise measurements and ensure the door frame is correctly supported. This attention to detail helps prevent settling issues and protects the structural integrity of your entryway. For Sugarland homeowners, this means fewer repairs and better long-term performance. Boosting curb appeal and home value. Your entry door is one of the first things people notice about your home. Even a beautiful door can look off if it's crooked, uneven, or poorly sealed. Proper installation ensures clean lines, smooth operation, and a polished appearance that enhances curb appeal. For homeowners thinking about resale, a professionally installed entry door signals quality and care. Buyers appreciate the combination of security, efficiency, and aesthetics, making your home more attractive and potentially more valuable. Peace of mind that comes from doing it right. At the end of the day, proper entry door installation is about confidence. Confidence that your home is secure. Confidence that your family is protected from the elements. Confidence that your investment will last. For Sugarland homeowners, choosing professional entry door installation isn't just a home improvement decision, it's a smart way to protect what matters most. A door installed the right way works quietly every day, guarding your home and giving you peace of mind you can feel the moment you close it.